Hey everyone, welcome back to another Mega video. In this video, we'll be talking about MegaHook. So megahook.weebly.com is a website that I created, and basically, right when you enter it, you're gonna need to enter a Discord ID, username, and tag. If you don't use Discord, enter website. So you can just do your username and ID. Mine is Megaheropap number 8490. You can friend me, and that's my username and ID for Discord. You can enter the ID, which I would highly recommend. It's much better. And so I know you verified. There's not a way to check if you're verified or not, but as long as you can complete this thing, you can just enter random stuff. But I wouldn't recommend you enter random stuff, okay? Not too good of an idea. So you can right click and you can copy your ID like this. Basically, paste the ID. Now, you can also use a username, but you don't need to if you have Discord. And yeah, if you press cancel, this is going to be a required step. So yeah, if you press OK, you still have to enter a username. Okay, so you're going to have to enter something, and then you can enter. And that's basically the human verification. That was to check if you were a human or not. Okay, because this tool does have spamming stuff in it. Alright, so MegaHook is a tool that you use to send messages using a Discord webhook. And watch the video below the page, which is the video I'm recording. It will be below here. So it basically has some information here about ways to contact me and stuff. And there's a use now button. So I'm going to click this button. And yes, I know like the code is really bad here. It doesn't look that good, but yeah. I'm not going to focus on this website too much. I've got my webhook URL here. You probably shouldn't copy it. It's not a good idea because I'll regenerate it. Okay, so enter a webhook URL. I entered the URL. I'm going to push OK. Enter a message. The message is going to be subscribe to Megaheropap. Remember, and then the username, Megaheropap clone. Okay, so basically, the username is sub to Megaheropap. This is the username in this case, and hi would be the message, which we are gonna make it subscribe to Megaheropap. So it should send here because this webhook is for this channel. Once you press OK, as you can see, Megaheropap clone, subscribe to Megaheropap right now. And yeah, so now that's one of the features. There's also MegaHook updated in case you didn't see up here. You can also use this feature. Now, I'm not going to be telling you the password, and I'm not going to tell you the password. And yeah, you can put your webhook here, as you can see. Enter a message, hi, and username, okay? And you can submit it, and basically it works as well. You can also test the main webhook tool, which was this webhook tool I used right here. And yes, 5 times the power. It's kind of like a Flutter, but it's limited. And yeah, so I will actually show you guys what this does. I'm going to inspect it, and the reason I'm inspecting it is so I can add something. Type equals password. Hopefully that works. Does that work? Darn it, it doesn't work. Oh, that sucks. I don't know how to use this. Hopefully that works. Yes, that works. Okay, beautiful. So now I can enter the secret code that you guys don't know. And there you go, it works. So we can close to, submit to. And by the way, if you don't enter the correct password, it's going to say wrong password. If you don't enter anything, it's going to say you must enter a password. And if you don't enter anything, it's just going to say the message. So you better enter something, and it better be valid, okay? So I'm going to type in the password again, submit. And basically the flood tool, you press on it, and it basically sends it 5 times. As you can see, 5 times the power. So if you want to purchase or use the flood tool, you can contact me, Megaheropap number 8490, Discord. And the reason I haven't been uploading any YouTube videos is because of school work. So I might as well upload this one. And hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions about my website, you can contact me many ways, specifically friending me on Discord or joining my Discord server. So yes, this is the tool, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and hope you guys have a nice day, and peace out.